Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create gradient color to shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I create gradient color to a shape. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then click drawing. Then press plus new. Now insert a shape first. Now I insert this cloud shape. Now I add gradient color on this shape. Go to fill color, select this shape, go to fill color option. Now you can see here are gradient. Now choose a gradient, then click add a custom color. Now you can see here are many stop to add this color. Now add a stop to middle of this here. Now choose this color. Now press OK, then press save and close. Now you can see I add gradient color to shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.